The Amazon rainforest, known for being the home to many tribes, deadly animals, and a lot of unknown and undiscovered land.
And this is me, Lewis Callander, known for his lack of internal compass and enjoying the finer things in life. And now, armed with nothing but a flashlight and my delusional confidence, it was time for me to take on the great Amazon rainforest and everything it may contain. But first, let me show you how I got here. First, I boarded the plane from Quito to Coca. Then I jumped on this motor canoe and made a 3-hour journey to my accommodation. On the way, I saw this fire burning and was told it was from the oil companies working with the tribes burning natural gases. These boats and trucks also belonged to the oil companies. After that 3-hour journey, we were then dropped off and had a 20-minute walk to our next canoe. Then had a half-an-hour canoe to my accommodation where my tour guide was showing me some of the local animals as we go past. I saw my very first animal in the Amazon rainforest and it was called a stinky turkey. Due to a severe lack of rain in recent months, the canoe did get grounded a couple of times. And that is how I got to my accommodation in the Amazon rainforest. Now, on with the vlog. Got a welcome meal. Look at that. That is amazing. This place is luxury. Oh, cheers to this. These things are incredible. The bacon, the banana. Oh my god. I've just opened the door, I put my bag down. House is all for me. I am living in luxury. Oh no. Oh, this is incredible. I've been treated like a king. The lunch, the snack, lunch, whatever you want to call it, I just got was incredible. A glass on arrival, a wet towel, and I'm the only person here. So I'm getting treated even more like loyalty than normal. But look at this place. This place has been around for 24 years and it is absolutely insane. Holy shit. I've got just under 2 hours till my afternoon trip, so let me show you the room. Oh my god, this is actually stunning. House is all for me. Oh no, what have I got myself into? This is so posh. Let's go look at the bathroom. House is all for me. I feel so rich. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, this is luxury. I'm absolutely cruising. Look at that. I've got a private balcony. I've got 2 hammocks, 2 comfy chairs. Let me show you my balcony. Holy. Oh, it's just started raining. Look, they need rain as well. Look at this chair. What's going on? How have I got this? This is what people say when they say money talks. This is how the other 1% live. I am the other 1%. I haven't stayed at a hotel where they make you a towel origami thing since I went on holiday with my parents years ago. No more fucking hostel bed for Lewis. Massive telescope. Amazing. This is so cool. Yes, winning. He's incredible at finding them. Absolutely so good. Yes! Look at that! That's so sick. This is so cool. Oh my god. Jeez, finding a sloth in the Amazon. Baby black caiman. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's good enough.
Under the water now?
Yep, there we go. Baby black caiman, eh? So just in the first night, we've seen a baby black caiman, we've seen a sloth, we've seen all these different birds, got some sick photos and videos of them just from where the cabins are. This is like the third floor up from the decking. Now in a hammock relaxing, 6 p.m, dinner at 6:30, and then I'll get told what time we wake up for the morning tour tomorrow. We were going to go out on a canoe and look at stuff, but we saw so much stuff from here. We said we'll go do the night tour on a canoe another day because we've seen so much, there's no point leaving. Just look where I am. This is honestly one of the sickest places I've ever been to. Look at that, man. I'm so happy. Just look how sick this is. Matey's cruising, I'm cruising. Mate, the black baby caiman was literally around here and we were canoeing it above. That's crazy. I'll tell you what, can you hear this buzzing around my head? Look how fancy this is. Nice napkins, jug of water, whatever all that is. Cup of green tea. Oh, I'm very happy. Winning.
Nice.
So, just finished dinner. It was incredible. Had some 5-star service right there. Just a waitress standing there waiting to take your plate. Great dinner. Steak, decent, can't complain. Very happy with how things are turning out. God, I'm in luxury, aren't I? I've got to wake up at 5 o'clock tomorrow for breakfast at 5:30. And then hiking, canoeing, all of that good stuff. Look at this, I'm in the Amazon day and night. Oh, this is techie, can't see shit. There we go. So it's 8:30 p.m. and I am going to go to sleep. I've got a 5 a.m. wake up. I'm tired. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning to catch a flight. It's been a good day, sick day. Looking forward to tomorrow. Let's call it there, shall we? 5:30 a.m. Just woke up at around 5 o'clock, had a shower, and now here for breakfast. That's going to be served in a minute. Let's go. Got myself a coffee. 6 a.m. Let's get on it. Get in the canoe. Get to the viewing tower. Let's go. There we go. Caiman. We're canoeing with caimans. This is crazy. Up to the viewing point, 202 stairs. Let's go.
102.
202.
202 steps from where we will get a good view here. And hopefully...
Jeez. This is so sick. We're at the top of one of the trees. Look at this view. I see some monkeys, some birds, and God knows what else. Howler monkeys. Oh, he's proper eating it. A howler monkey?
Yes, they are red howler monkey.
That's so cool. What's that noise?
Howler.
What, a
Howler
bird?
monkey.
Oh, that's a monkey.
The bird feeders.
Oh, yeah. That's the one that steals from the...
The tower.
Yeah,
Yeah. Wait for that number. The
that's a monkey.
howler monkey, yeah. Red howler monkey.
What? Oh my days.
Wow.
I thought it was a jaguar. I was getting ready to run. They're still going for it, eh?
Yeah.
Catching the smallest monkey in the world. A pocket monkey. How is that a monkey? Look how small it is. Quick voiceover here. On the way back to the canoe, I got told to walk directly behind them, as either side of this, the ground wouldn't be able to support me and I'd go through. I ended up stepping on it with my right foot and it went all the way past my knee and I was stuck. They literally had to pull me out. If they weren't there, I'd have been in trouble. Ah.
Straight.
Second day lunch finished, just in the hammock outside my door on the balcony. Just listening to the birds, relaxing. Oh, I'm so overfull. That lunch was massive. Obviously we had the lunch and then the snack before that and then breakfast and it was massive. I'm stuffed. So just having a chill one. Listening to these birds tweet away. On the way to the meeting point for the second activity of day 2, a walk behind the lodge today, looking for more creatures just before dinner. A whole bunch of bullet ants.
A bunch of them, yeah. When you get this thing at the beginning, you feel as a shot of bullet.
Does it hurt as much as they say?
Yeah, they
No.
I am very irritated of them.
Oh my god.
Look at them.
Right, as you can see, it is pitch black. We've just finished dinner. It's 7:15. We're now going out on the canoe into the river for about half an hour. Apparently there's loads of caimans out at night. I've got my torch and we're going to go find some caimans. Caimans versus LC Travels. Let's go. We can see all their eyes when you shine the torch. Look at this. We've got 1, 2, you can see the eyes. 3, 4. Oh, that one's gone. Look at them. Oil, is that one?
Yeah.
What's the plan of action if it attacks us?
Sorry?
What's the plan of action if it attacks us?
Die.
Die? That's an awful... That's the last thing I want to hear.
They don't come actually often.
Often, they take...
In this like 10 years I have seen just one.
You've been attacked once?
It's one to like.
We are well too close.
This is a baby one.
That's a baby one, is it?
It's, I mean, a young one. It's not enough.
I can literally stretch out and touch that almost. Oh my god.
Big eye.
God, look at that thing. Another one. Oh, that one dipped. Where'd it go?
Look at its head.
I don't fancy my chances against that.
If you want, you can stand up.
Is that our self-defence? We just noticed that. That's terrifying. Currently in a canoe in the middle of the night down the rainforest, infested by caimans. Crazy. And all we've got for self-defence. Here's an umbrella. It's being a sick day. It's 8:30 p.m. and I'm now going to sleep. So, see you lot in the morning. It's day 3 and it is 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm going for breakfast and then we're going to go on a 6-hour hike today. Let's go.
They're really expert diving. They have like a membrane and stuff there.
hiking through the jungle, as we do. We laugh in the face of danger. Pumas. Shannon, what's that, won't I? Left, right, good night. We found a jaguar footprint. This way. Is that our way?
The road is through this, but the trees fall down.
Jaguar poo. We keep going and we find this jaguar. Yep, tastes fresh. Let's go. Jaguar of the Amazon rainforest, we're coming for you. Guess what we just found? More jaguar poo with bones in. I'll show you. We are on the way. This jaguar is ours. Jaguar poo, bones, is shitting himself knowing we're coming for him. Surrounded by squirrel monkeys. Those branches moving are them. Let's see if I can catch one on video again.
That's grubs.
Do you eat them?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You eat that?
Yeah.
Do you? Yeah?
Yeah, we will eat tomorrow. For the community.
Oh, I'm not going to sink again. Oh. Right, it's 7:30 p.m. and we're now going to take the canoe to the other side and we're going to go on a night walk with our torches through the Amazon rainforest for about 45 minutes. Let's go. The bullet ants?
In the middle of the lake.
Ah, yeah. Just one.
Just one.
Get bit by that, feels like a bullet, eh? In the middle of the Amazon rainforest, in the middle of the night, in Ecuador, laughing in the face of danger. Jaguars, we are here for you. Let's see what we find.
Okay, when you're walking at night, you have to look down.
Look, yeah.
Just in case maybe some snakes.
Oh, okay.
Look up.
Look at the intrinsic works of these spider webs. Oh my god. Absolutely huge frog.
Move a little bit to the right.
The stick insect. Oh, good spot.
And bird eggs, bird chicks. You get it? Oh.
Is it? Oh.
Look, there.
Yep. Oh, very grainy video, but it's...
Clear video?
No.
Well, we should.
Currently waiting for our transport back. This is what we're dealing with in the middle of the night. Got to be quiet for the jaguars. Let's hope we don't get eaten. What a crazy, crazy life I live at the moment. in the Amazon rainforest, looking for jaguars in the middle of the night. Crocodiles found, otters found, monkeys found, birds found. That bloody jaguar is mine. Now time to avoid the caimans. Hey, this is sick. Bloody hell, flies. Oh, we've got ourselves grounded. 1, 2, 3, 4. And home. It's day 4. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning. We're back where we started on day 1, walking across the sand. This is usually all flooded with water up until there, but obviously hasn't rained in 3 months apart from the past few days. We're getting back on the motor canoe to go to a wall full of parrots, but it has rained, so they might not be there. And then we're going to go to the national park and do a hike for 3 hours, and then we're going to go to the community centre where none of them speak English. They all speak their local language, which is called whatever that says. Can't remember how to pronounce it. Yeah, I'll bring you along with me. Look at this. The Amazon rainforest, more like the Amazon desert, am I right? I nicked the tour guide's joke. So yesterday's mission was a fail, find the jaguar, but today's mission, find a cougar. And I don't mean the animal, I mean a tribeswoman who doesn't speak English but can't resist a sexy young man by the name of Lewis Callander. We're out here on the boat. Let's go see some parrots. There we go. All it took was one. Licking the clay for nutrients. Different species in their own little sections.
That size and that fast they are really hard to find or to see.
How did you see that?
Yeah, it was like
Oh, no, it's still there.
what, it's gone?
Just
Oh yeah. Any war, they use the neurotoxin of this for come on the sunshine, yeah? Come to the sunshine.
oh yeah. Classic. Look at all this kind. We found a group of woolly monkeys. Come with me.
On the branch. Oh yeah.
There is the woolly monkey. Oh yes, look at me. Almost at the community centre, which is where we're going next, to cook with the local tribe. Can't remember how to say hello or how to say thank you in their local language. Can't remember what the language is. Can't remember the tribe name. But it's going to be good. Let's see what we cook up, eh? Look at this hair. Oh, cool.
¿Cómo así se mete el pobrecito? Ya cuando se cansa de bajar.
They got a nest up there. Ah, cooking class with the tribe. Let me show you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
De ahí le cojo. Oye, pues que no me
And then yeah, you have to wrap around. Pero ahí quítale uno. Eso. Yeah, one bigger leaves and then the others doesn't matter. Yeah. And look at that. To wrap, you will start like a side by side. Yeah, you will start wrapping side by side.
Yep.
Look, one under and one over, and then you have to fold it up. Yeah.
Easy.
Easy. And then you will get that Panama half-pound leaf. You have to wrap around twice and then make a knot. And yeah, cool. That's it. And then you will put it on the grill.
Can I watch someone else eat one first?
Yeah, she's going to show you how to eat.
They're alive. See, yeah.
entonces, que le enseñe
Oh
cómo
my
comerlos.
god, they're alive. So there's that fish that I made with that thing on. I don't know what it is. Got our plantain and banana thing. These look a lot nicer now they're cooked. Ah, gracias. And of course we munch all of this with our hands. It's good. Very good actually. So we got our, what's it called?
Chontacuro.
That. Oh dear. You ready?
The whole thing.
That's actually like bacon.
Yeah? Very
Good.
Good. Yeah, they are good. I told you.
Good.
Enjoy it.
Yes.
If you want, you can take another one as well.
No, it's okay. So I just finished lunch, eating it with your hands. Tasted, kind of want just a bit of chocolate now, just to get some normal flavour in my mouth. But water tank in the background, really nice area. The kids have school here and they've all just finished, so some are flooded into where we are. It's like 6 kids crowded around one iPhone. Some kids are just outside playing. Some souvenirs you can buy, and like $10, $13 each. Made from palm tree fibre or something. 28. There we go. Gracias. Right, that hour's going to be our target because we have got the blow dart thing out.
Look like this.
Yeah.
One of the hand over here and another one over here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And then you can just inhale.
Yeah.
Breathe in. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's
Good shot.
This is the way how to use it. Uh-huh. This is the
Yeah, right in the old jugular. What for next shot?
Okay. Hold it up. Okay, there you go. Again. Do it. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, we got him. We got him. I'm a natural.
There you go. Whenever you are ready. Yeah, whenever you are ready.
Oh.
Ah. Second try. There you go. 1, 2, 3, go! What happened?
That's sick. They've actually got like a little stadium, like stand to watch people play football. A little bit awkward, but a great experience. Looks like they're getting dropped off hella supplies, but this is well steep. The trip back home isn't a school bus, it's a boat along the Amazon River. That is crazy. And we are back to the lodge. So what does this place have to offer? So I get a bread and eggs for breakfast. I always have an omelette. For lunch, there's 3 courses, soup, a main and a dessert. For dinner, 3 courses, soup, a main and a dessert. And you get a snack between breakfast and lunch, which is 2 bits of fruit, some Oreos, some crisps, and an orange juice. So this place is absolutely incredible. Yes, it costs a lot, but the things you get and the experiences I've had is absolutely crazy. I fully recommend this place. So how much does this place cost me? It has cost me $1,600 for 4 nights and 5 days, but it's been worth every single penny, and Sandy Lodge has helped me defeat the Amazon rainforest. And just like that, we end our trip watching the sunset from a hammock. The only bird I remember the name of, a stinky turkey. Look at that. And that's a wrap. The sun has gone behind those trees. That's the last time I'll see the sun in the Amazon rainforest. What an incredible few days. Cannot recommend it enough. Just listen to that wildlife going on in the background, all those birds. Great stuff. They wanted rain and they have bloody got it. Please stop raining for this canoe ride back though. Please. The final breakfast. Wading our way through the Amazon River. Hopefully no croc gets me.